Thank you for joining me today for today's webinar on Giant Precision, IR35 Fee Payer, or the Giant Business Connect top tips. So what we'll be going through is for an overview is a contractual relationship, how you get paid, how you would access your remittances, tax code, invoicing VAT and expenses, pension and P60, how to contact us, and there'll be a brief summary at the end. So for the contractual relationship, if your hirer decides you are caught by IR35, they may still allow you to trade for your limited company, providing appropriate employer and employee tax are deducted at source. The company that pays your limited company is known as the fee payer, which is ourselves, Giant. Giant will enter into a new contract with your limited company at a lower rate to enable us, the fee payer, to deduct our margin, employer's national insurance, and the apprenticeship levy. We will then deduct PAYE tax from the contract rate before paying the net amount to your limited company. These deductions are governed by the off-payroll working legislation. Keeping your limited company allows you to use it for both inside and outside IR35 assignments. So how you are paid. So it is important you submit your timesheets directly to your agency by their deadline. They should give you information on how to do this. Your agency will send Giant your timesheet information electronically to us, so you don't need to do anything. The Giant will pay your limited company the next working day via faster payments. We will pay your company in line with the frequency that your agency pays us. You will receive an SMS payroll alerts to confirm the amount that's been paid to you, and we will also provide you with a remittance each time you're paid, which gives a full breakdown of payments and any deductions that have been made. How you would access your remittance. So when you're setting up for the Giant service, we will send you a link to our portal. You will set up a username and password for this, and there'll be a link with the initial email you're sent. Once you're logged in, you just need to go to your data. It's normally on the left-hand side when you click on the three lines at the top of the screen. Once you're clicked on this, it will give you further options, and if you click on your data, and then it'll bring up more options. One of these options will then be remittance. You then just simply click on the view remittance option, and this will download as a PDF to your device. If you cannot see it downloaded, please check your downloads folder, as it may be in there, and you can then save this for your own records. So each time you're paid, we will generate a remittance advice slip, and these will be paid to you on the Giant portal. It will have your information such as your company details, your unique reference of ourselves, your pay rate, our details, the tax code you used to calculate the deductions, and your tax and national insurance deductions if you are inside IR35. It also confirms the net amount paid to your company and the net amount to you pay your company, including VAT if a VAT is applicable. For your tax code, if you think your tax code is wrong, for your first payment, we would deduct your taxes deducted using a basic rate tax code of 20%. Within approximately 8 weeks, HMRC may send us an updated tax code to use. If you do believe the tax code is incorrect after 8 weeks or after the new tax year, please contact HMRC directly to ask that they send Giant a P6 to update the tax code. Unfortunately, HMRC won't speak to ourselves as this is relating to your own personal tax code. So can we pay your salary to another individual than yourself? I'm sorry, we can only make payments paid in respect to yourself, and we can only pay into your limited company's business bank account. For invoicing, VAT and expenses, do you need to issue an invoice to get paid? No, you don't. To keep your admin to a minimum, we issue a self-bill invoice based on the payment instructions received from your agency. If VAT is applicable, VAT is charged by you on a new contract rate with Giant. We will issue your company with a self-bill invoice, which will show any applicable VAT. We cannot backdate any VAT, so please provide us with the VAT number as soon as possible so we can make sure this is set up for you. For expenses, if your agency or clients agree to pay your billable expenses, these will be paid to Giant and we'll pay them directly to your limited company in the same payroll as your time worked. If you have business expenses purchased by your company that you want to process to reduce your tax liabilities, then you will need to liaise with your accountant, and they will be able to advise you further on what to do. For pension and P60, can we make pension contributions for you? Unfortunately, we can't. HMRC state that pension contributions are not an item to be processed by the fee payer. As a director of a company, pension responsibilities remain with you and your personal single company. And will we provide you with P60? Yes, we will provide you with P60 after the end of the tax year, as long as the P45 was not issued in the previous tax year. The P60 will include the deemed employment period, as well as tax and national insurance contributions paid on it. To contact us, there is a number of ways to contact us. When you first go to the link for the portal, there's a live chat option on the bottom right-hand side of the page. You can click on that, and it'll bring up the live chat function. Initially, you'll be given a bot to ask your initial queries. If the bot's not able to answer, you can come through to an agent. Our opening hours are Monday to Friday, 9 AM to 6 PM, and there should always be someone on live chat between those times. If you want to contact us out of hours or it's not urgent, you can send us a message using the add message option from your portal. To access this, you go to your data, message, then add message. This sends a message directly to myself or one of my colleagues, and we will respond to you as quickly as possible. For the summary, so the contract for services with Giant, payments are 100% compliant with the IR35 of payroll legislation. You don't need to raise invoices yourself, as we are self-billing, and we do pay next day via faster payment. Next working day via faster payment. Remittances with breakdown are available on your portal. All payments are made into your business bank account. You will receive an SMS payroll alert to confirm when you are paid, and you can set this up on your portal or by contacting ourselves. If applicable, VAT is applied on the new contract rate with Giant, and you can contact us using the message function on your portal or by using live chat. A compliant solution that allows you to keep your limited company for both inside and outside IR35 assignments. Is there any questions at all?